Hello guys, I'm Ashwin from Skydrive production. So today I'm going to shoot a video of I'm going to jungle alone. I'm not a paranormal activist or anything. I just want to explore the jungle at night time like this and want to see um, what is happening inside the jungle in the night time. Um, Again, I tell I'm not a paranormal activity. I'm not a, I'm not doing paranormal activity shooting. I'm just um, doing the video shoot at the night time. Well, I'm not seeing anything right now. I'm just scared of the wild animals right here. Um, Especially the pigs. I have saw the pigs before this. The wild pigs. We call it hogs. I saw a few weeks ago. I have saw the pigs running through this jungle. Oh, sorry, very muddy here. And it was really big, the size of a cow. I just dare myself to go inside, see what we got here, and it is quite dark, and um, just dare myself to go inside, see what's happening. Also, the road is very muddy here. Well, I'm just scared. What we call that? Snakes, the wild animals. Sorry, a bit nervous. I'm going solo today. That's why I'm nervous. So before this, I have done some short films with my friends. At that moment, I wasn't alone. I was with my friend. So it's not a big deal, but this time I'm alone. And sorry for the torchlight. It's not very suitable for this time, but just for the video. So what you guys are gonna do here is just feel the night time at the jungle. See, you cannot experience this alone. So just put on your earphone and feel what's going on inside the jungle at the night time. It's not a thick jungle. It's beside my house actually, but it's enough to give you a chill. I think. See, it's quite dark, but I hear some noise. It's maybe animals. So we get back. Sorry, I'm a bit nervous actually. This is the first time I'm shooting a video like this, but actually guys, what I'm going to tell you is I'm not telling you to come and explore yourself, but you want to explore the jungle at the night time, just watch this video and feels what going on inside the jungle at the night time like this. Just by watching my video, you can feel how I'm going through this jungle. And but careful, you can go and explore by yourself, but be careful with the wild animals, because there's maybe lots of snakes going around, and I'm scared with the pigs actually. It's quite big. It's almost hit me at the daytime. but I'm there myself and come to shoot the video. um, Sorry for the low quality of light, but I heard some noise. Oh, uh, I don't want to go too deep inside because I'm wearing unsuitable clothes right now. So you guys just see, I'm just wearing a sandal. See, just want to explore the jungle by the side of the views. And guys, I hope you can feel what I'm feeling now. I'm still scared and nervous, but nice wind here. But I want to feel this. I want to explore this jungle.